Massive falls this. Absolutely brilliant. And this is Haydo's type of terrain. Home of yabbies. The plants here last time in that position. Haydo out at Bundanoon again. Mad spot, brother. Just setting up camp. Magical view around the campsite. Nothing better than sitting down after a nice drive down to Bundanoon in the Beast and sitting down watching a bit of Steve Irwin. Love watching a bit of Steve Irwin out in the bush. And the eco flow down here doing a mad job running the fridge.
Once they've got it in their head, we must lay.
It's a River 2 hidden under the hat there.
She's been digging in this hole for quite a while.
Delta 1300.
It's really nice, soft dirt. And when
River Max
lay her eggs, they get
and the River 1. Mad place out here, brother. Hey, yep, out at Bundanoon for camping trip number 108 with Eco Flow. Magic. We are on the next stop and we're down at the beautiful Fitzroy Falls. Mad place, Haydo, eh? What do you reckon of this place? Absolute magic. Just spin the camera around and we'll give you a look at the walk. Beautiful. Hey, this leads us down towards the waterfall. To the East Rim track, Fitzroy Falls, and the West Rim track. So we want to go and we'll take you to Fitzroy Falls. Magic, mate. And this is Fitzroy Falls. Massive falls, this one. Absolutely immense, eh? I thought we'd drop out to Fitzroy Falls and have a look. Just awesome. Out of the Southern Highlands. Spectacular. The cultural history around the local area, Fitzroy Falls. Just awesome. This rainforest walk's pretty cool, mate. How do you like this, man?
Yeah, brilliant, mate.
Magic. Let's spin it around and give you a look. Lush rainforest around Fitzroy Falls. It's a great walk if you want to get out here. We just come down from Bundanoon and they've got all sorts of signage to let you know what's down here. Superb lyrebird. The falls are magnificent, absolutely magnificent, eh, bro? How extraordinary is that? Fitzroy Falls. It's got massive falls, this. Absolutely brilliant. Madness of Fitzroy Falls. See if I can zoom in a bit closer to the top there. Oh, mad. Phone's doing a mad job now, look. Yeah. All the way down. Crashing on the rocks down at Fitzroy Falls. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it, man? Zoom back a bit. Give you a scale of how massive this is. Fitzroy Falls, just amazing. The size and scale of this place has to be seen to be believed. Water just crashing down onto the rocks there. and then a big double tier down into a beautiful little pond below. And it's absolutely massive, this place. And vast. Even the surrounds. It's absolutely immense, this place. Just massive. Down to Twin Falls. Some awesome falls here, man. Just wicked. There's the start of the Twin Falls. Just absolutely wicked. And it's slightly raining, but we don't care. The scale of these falls is just massive, isn't it, man? Just monstrous. So yeah, and a massive open rock escarpments and canyons, cliffs everywhere. And there's waterfalls everywhere. Don't know if you can see, but just over here we've got another waterfall. There he is over there. See if we can pick that up. Bit of rain's made it hard to pick up some of this stuff. And there's the mad Twin Falls. You can see them, just two little falls coming down off there. Breaks up into a cascade. Beautiful. Twin Falls lookout. Oh, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, massive. That section that's fallen out there. Awesome falls, but really is, eh? Nice. Bring it up. Keezy and Haydo on the next stop, and we're out at Bundanoon. Mad place. How mad's this place, bro? It's tops. We've voted this as a crowd favourite, and this is why. I mean, check that out. Gorgeous waterfall section. And the Irwin coal mines just over to the side here. Mad's this. Out at the campsite. And a power point. Charge the eco flow up. Mad. That's awesome. That's wicked, Haydo. Look. Charging at 660 watts per hour, and it's got 56 minutes before the Delta 1300's full. Haydo's got his Wi-Fi there. Whole congregation down here camping, absolutely awesome. That's how we roll. The cook up.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, the cook up, mate.
Yeah, you're bringing it back, buddy.
Haydo waiting for his cook up. Yeah, me and Haydo go out camping. We'd like to have a decent sort of a barbecue meal. Look at that platter. The Haydo platter. Yeah, man. Nothing better than watching a bit of Irwin, mate. Having some food in the bush. Look at this ripper. Awesome looking spider. A lot of insects out tonight. Bundanoon. This guy's mad, look at him. Wicked looking spider. I can see you in there too, dude. Yeah. How mad. It actually picks up pretty good in the night time. afternoon.
He's about 2,000 miles in the far northwest on the continent of Australia.
Look how grumpy this guy is. Look at him, eh? Look at those fangs up there. And he could just about jump at me if he wants to. And look at that mad spider. That's wicked. Hey, though, how mad's that? That nose, mates, is a massive male funnel web spider on my hat, and we're just going to evict him from the campsite. He just about crawled up my leg before, so we'll get him and we'll take him away. I'm going to release this guy now, and he's pretty placid at the moment, but once I put him down I'll show you his defensive display. It is incredible. The most deadly spider in the world, the funnel web spider of Australia. Incredible. Oh, we got a hold of it then. Massive fangs. Check this out. Ooh. Mad funnel web. He's in full ambush position. Full ambush position. Funnel web spider, most deadly spider in the world. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, he's in full ambush position here. That's just mad. Look at this. Look at this, the most deadly spider in the world. Funnel web spider. And these guys mean business. Let's get back a bit. Well within range. And a male funnel web this size is one of the biggest funnel webs I've seen. How mad is that? Big male funnel web. Most venomous spider in the world. The Australian funnel web. That's just insane. Look at that. That's a full ambush position. And just wait there. Anything comes close to this guy and it's curtains. This is the most deadly spider in the world. And this guy's massive, massive male funnel web. And they're the ones you don't want to get bitten by. Yeah, that's a massive funnel web, bro. They don't get a lot bigger than that. The male ones are smaller than the females.
So that's a female?
Nah, that's a male. And they're the most dangerous ones. The females are not that bad, but the males are the deadly ones, yeah.
Right.
So yeah, that's just a cracker, man, honestly. Okay, you just stay there and be a good funnel web so we can get you away from all the campers. Yeah, you're making your way further up, you bugger, aren't you? Alright. There's a nice little area down the back here, mate. Hey, just made for a beautiful little funnel web like you. You're a big fella. Okay, be careful with this big fella. Alrighty. Walking back down the back here. We've got plenty of room. Plenty of room. Okay, stop climbing up that stick. Getting closer and closer to me. That must be your call. Down you go, mate. Okay. Down you hop, mate. There we go. You're a big funnel web. Tell you that much. What have we got here, mate?
2 kilometres.
Gloworm Glen walk. How mad's that? Look, that's lush, man. Mad little walk. Take a walk down the Gloworm Glen. What do you reckon, mate? Alright, off we go. Next stop, Gloworm Glen. Okay, Haydo, take a walk down this way. What do you reckon, mate? Looks like a mad spot. Gloworm Glen. Oh, look at these. We didn't see these little plants here last time, did we?
No.
I don't think they're down at Bundanoon where we went.
Didn't see any.
No, definitely not. Some mad flora, this time of year. You never know. There might be a Highlands copperhead. There might even be diamond python. Up in the trees, we could even have powerful owls. There could be anything down here. And we're going to return night time, mate, see if we can find those glowworms, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, this is bad. Gorgeous thick vegetation here. Got all the black wattles, the acacia moon's eye, and there's lots of different banksias, a multitude of different dixonias, gums, redwoods, some beautiful ironbarks. An amazing little place. Yeah, so we're just about at the Gloworm Glen, not far to go now. Just coming down the final section here. Man, Haydo, mad. If we come back down this way, it's got an awesome little track. Okay, we'll let Haydo take the lead down this little section. Champion. I'll just follow Haydo down here towards the Gloworm Glen. This is a great walk, Haydo.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit steep, but it's better than the Erif Coal Mines walk for sure.
You gotta do the hard yards if you want to see the good stuff.
Yep, that's totally true, mate, eh? Yeah, you're not going to see much unless you venture into the bush a bit. And this is Haydo's type of terrain. Home of yabbies, other crustaceans in the water, all sorts of reptiles. And as you can see, it's absolutely lush out here. So this is the Gloworm Glen. Stretches all the way right up there. Cave system a bit further up. So a bit of a waterfall, cave system. And the Gloworm Glen stretches all across here. And these cracks in the rocks, they actually come out of the cracks in the rocks here. And they're not even a worm, they're the gnat of the fungus fly. So yeah, they're not actually a glowworm. And they'll hang in big chains and light up. Probably a little bit early, but beautiful this part of the Gloworm Glen. We'll return here tonight and have a look and see if we can spot any glowworms. Magical spot. We love it. Looks like your nuggets are dropped, mate. His tempuras are hanging out. Couple of chicken nuggets.
Oi!
Oh, he's dropped it. Mate, they said his nuts hadn't dropped yet. What liars. Okay guys, that was the last stop on the Cumberland Express for this beautiful Sunday. And not a bad day. The sun didn't really come out as much as we wished it would. Not a bad day after all. But let's hope tomorrow we've got more sunshine and we'll move further along the Parklands track and see if we can find some more reptiles. Okay, till tomorrow. If you like the show, subscribe, give us some likes and comments, really appreciate that. Support the Cumberland Nature Crew. And till tomorrow, from Koozie the Caveman and the Next Stop Show. See you on the next stop, guys. Let's get out of here.